Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a review for a XIAOMI handheld vacuum cleaner. This is the second shooting. Unfortunately, first time I had a problem with the camera, but it doesn't matter. Only the plastics are opened. So this is a very tiny. It's a very small vacuum cleaner. It's a wireless one. I will read you some specs from the back of the box. 7.2 volts, battery lithium-ion 2000 milliamperes, a very powerful suction power, 5000 pascals. For its size is quite impressive. It weighs about half a kilogram, so it's very easy. The battery charges fully charges in 1.5 hours, maximum 2 hours, as I've read on the specifications, and it holds more than 13, maybe 15 minutes, but it's quite enough to clean your car or your table from crumbs or food from your child. I also bought separately a EU home charger because the box came only with the with the car charging. So this is the home charging with a cable of about 1 meter length. It is enough for home use. Let's open the box. This is the manual. I think, yeah, only in Chinese, but it doesn't matter. I don't think it's a problem. So, this is the product. Wow, it's so nice and so small. 29 centimeters height and 7 centimeters diameter, so it's quite small. It's very ergonomical, very easy in your hand. There's only a cap. Okay, let's open this. This is the HEPA filter. Unfortunately, you cannot wash it, but I think 1 year, maybe 2, it could hold you. So you just have to replace it after a while. But you can find it on the internet, and it's quite cheap. I think $1 or $2. So it doesn't matter this. Okay, very easy to put it back. Let's see what else we have in the box. So this is the car charger. Okay. This should be the brush. Yep. You have to raise. For tiny places, and the brush. I think like this. Yep. Okay, let's see the power. Wow, impressive. The first time. Let's try with this. Very powerful. I'm impressed. It's so small, you cannot believe it if you don't see in reality. It cleaned very well. It's very easy to use, very nice, very easy. A child also can hold it with no problems, because it is very small and very easy. Let's see if it works while charging. I'm very curious about that. Nope, only charging. So if you want to use it, you have to charge it first. You cannot use it in your car while charging. This is a downside from my point of view. But overall it is a very nice product. I'm very happy with it. It has also a light. I think it will be good in the car. Well, I'm impressed. I don't have to worry anymore with the food from my child on the table, and I believe it will work very easy also in the car. I will show you a presentation from my car. I'm really impressed, and I'm glad that I bought this from the internet. I don't know if I told you that you can find it with Cleanfy or Coclean name. It is the same product made by XIAOMI. Very good so far. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will show you another video from my car. Bye bye. Hey, welcome back. I will show you how it works, the XIAOMI handheld vacuum cleaner also in my car. So let's start. Yeah, it works very well. You have to insist in some places, but it works very well. Let's try with this tiny places. it works okay. I'm satisfied. It could be working much better, but I think for such a tiny vacuum cleaner, it's pretty impressive. Let's see also the brush. Good. It's good. I'm satisfied. Let's try again for the fit. Let's see what it collected so far. Wow. Phew. Unbelievable. This you can clean it quite easy. I don't know if you can open this, but I don't want to break it from the start. I cannot believe how much dust it collected. Wow. Overall, it's a very nice handheld vacuum cleaner. It's worth every penny. I've spent about $39 US on it, so it's quite cheap for me. It's very easy to hold. It's very easy to use, fast charging, wireless. You can use it also in tiny spaces. So for me and for what I need, it's very, very good. I hope you enjoyed it, you've made an idea, and you will decide if you want this Xiaomi or you will orientate for other brands. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.